Pot, cocaine, prescription medication.
Those are just some of the drugs the San Marcos School District has been randomly testing students for over the last 6 years. KXAN Austin News has learned they're calling it quits. Erin Cargile has this in-depth report.
This is Jennifer Mazak's final year at San Marcos High School. She's one of 1,200 students who've been randomly drug tested over the last 5 years.
And I was pulled out and I just did the drug test. It was during my freshman year.
54 students were picked per month, 30 at the high school and 12 at each of the 2 middle schools.
The reason they started the drug testing policy was not to catch kids doing drugs, but to give the students an option out of doing drugs.
The program targeted towards students in extracurricular activities like sports and band was pretty much covered by a federal grant. The school board was supposed to review the program after a year, but never did until last month.
The reason why it was brought up this year is because the grant went away.
The district says the grant paid for $36,400 worth of testing, and in the last 5 years, only 5 high school students tested positive for drugs.
The expenses are too much. There's very few students that are being caught.
So last month, the board voted to stop the program, taking into consideration continuing to test using tax dollars could jeopardize their balanced budget, lower tax rate, and teacher raises. There's still a chance athletes will be tested for steroids by the UIL. San Marcos has already been selected twice. But when it comes to other drugs, these students wonder what their classmates will do now that testing is out of the picture.
They don't have to worry about it anymore, so it's probably going to be prone to happen some more.
I think it was a good thing.
I really don't. I don't see that as a problem. I think we would have had more positives if it was a problem, and if we'd had a much larger number of positive tests, I think we would have kept the program going.
In San Marcos, Erin Cargile, KXAN, Austin News.